Hi, my name is Carrie, and we are here creating with Carrie at Dreamtime Creations. This time, I want to teach you guys a little bit about this project, but first of all, every project starts by the glue. So this visor is made of fabric. So I recommend you guys can use Gemtag or Dreamtime Creations glue. Works perfect for fabrics. So a lot of people have a trouble in how to fill up the syringe because you leave some bubbles there. Let me show you how not to deal with those bubbles. So you just have to, we're going to use just a little bit just to teach you guys. So add a little bit of glue or as much you comfortable. Put the plunge in, bring the glue like that, and push your glue up. And that way, we are not having bubbles. When you have bubbles in there is when that becomes a disaster because the glue flows way too quick and you don't want to mess with that. So next step, how to grab your syringe. You just, in this case, this syringe is really short, so 3 fingers or 4 fingers, whatever you feel comfortable, and your thumb is to make pressure. So let's do it. So you apply a little bit of glue. You don't need a bunch. You can make lines or dots. Again, depends how comfortable you feel like it. And add your crystal. This glue, Gemtag glue or Dreamtime Creation glue, is very good for fabric. You can check our page. We have a different type of glues there. And you can choose depending on your project. And another thing, remember, Dreamtime glue and Gemtag dries clear, which that is amazing. You don't want the glue to show too much on the edges, but if it does and if it's clear, it's even better because you don't have to deal with that residue later. So, like that. And with this other side, you make pressure, and there it is. I did this line already, just in that way it's a base for me to keep going. But I just want to show you a little bit. Now, remember, in Dreamtime Creations, we have syringes, tips, the glues, and we also have this kit. It's already made with 5 syringes, 2 applicators, and 4 different type of tips. These tips is for different colors because it's accordingly on how big the hole you need it, depends on the glue and depends on the flow. Depends on what kind of project you are doing, right? So let me show you one more time here. 3 fingers or 4, whatever make you comfortable. Thumb for the plunge. Make a line. And right here we pick our crystal. Remember the crystal katana, the katana tool is have 2 different tips here. One is the wax to pick your crystal, and the other one is to position or make a pressure on your crystal like this. That's the reason why this tool is amazing and make your life a lot easier. Okay, one more time, let me show you. 3 fingers. You can do dots or you can do lines, whatever make you more comfortable is fine. Another thing I want to say is Dreamtime Creation glue and Gemtag dries clear. So it's really good glue for fabrics for that reason also. Well, any glue dries clear is amazing. So if you see some coming up a little bit here, don't worry about it because in the end that will dry clear, okay? And look at this project. This is for a lady whose kids going to the school, and this is the school colors. So that's why we are doing that, and we did that sandals already. So I want to explain a little bit what we have here. This makes your life really easy, guys. This kit is already made with 5 syringes, 2 applicators in case you don't want the katana tool, and come with 4 tips. Okay, these tips are different colors because it's different sizes. You choose your size accordingly of how much flow you want to come out from the syringe or how thick the glue it is. Also, let me remind you guys, we have Swarovski products now, and we are wholesale and retail. Please check our website. And here in a little bit, I'm going to come back, guys, and show you how the end product looks like, okay? So just give me a couple seconds and I'll be back. Hi, and here we are with the complete project. Look at this, guys. Such a beautiful spark. Something really easy you can do in a weekend. And the good thing, you can match it with your shoes or flip-flops. Well, for now on, guys, we will be posting videos on YouTube, and we will try to keep up with the social media just to show you guys what is new or what is the inspiration we have. In that way, we can share the inspiration with you to give you more inspiration, and you can get all these colors in all the sizes. Don't forget, in Dreamtime Creations, and we have all the Swarovski colors. Okay, guys, check our website, and I cannot wait to see you till the next time. Bye bye.